First thing, the design, according to the design which we had, most of it is not the same. Okay.
Okay.
If you, let's see what we have. First of all, there's a cut here in the logo. Okay. See, this is your home design. It's come from home. This is fine. These things
Yeah,
will
yeah.
be on.
We see a lot of differences.
Yeah. There's
B-
a huge number of differences. If you see, it's a little more concise here. Again, this expands. Um, this also, it's fine. This let's just remove this, or well, let's talk about that later. This one I had asked to change the name as entertainment. I'm just listing down one by one so that you can let me know.
okay.
And plus on every let's say stay or outing also, I have to click here to explore. I can't just click on the
Yes,
whole
yes, yes.
thing.
That is the in the release it's planned.
Okay, that
Uh,
one you have to see. This particular page is only just without any design, I'm guessing, because it's just rawly here. uh, if you I'll just give you reference points from my old. See, the whole point of us coming here was to improve what we had.
correct, correct.
Okay, let's keep that in mind. See, this is our current website. Okay, and additionally, this I had asked to remove. Yes, we have switched that before, and this part is completely missing right now in the current
Correct.
website. There is completely nothing. Okay. First, I'm just telling you guys about the desktop. Then I'll come to
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
the file. Okay. Huh.
Yes, we were
Look at this.
discussing the same thing, which all the missing components. Just now we all had a discussion. We made note
Nice.
of it, yeah, and you can also just tell all of it.
Yeah, yeah.
What we'll do is all at one go. All of some of them would have already got in this phase, which team is
Mm-hmm.
working on. But anyways, we consider everything and we make sure that it's all fixed. Yeah.
Done.
Please go ahead.
Okay. Most of the things are too expanded and spread across. It's too much to the face. If you see, even in the desktop, things are small here. It's still visible. You see the logo which moves also is smooth. Ours is very stuck up. If you see, where is it? See, I mean, if someone is just scrolling fast, they wouldn't know if this is moving. Also, a little bit on the UI thought is missing. See, this is the part. You see this entertainment part where I've mentioned all the add-ons. If you see what I had in mind, is this section is what I had in mind for it. Okay, you can put the entertainment part, put the 5 sections, put it a little. This is what I had in mind to
Mm-hmm.
replace what we had here.
Okay.
Now these are not clickable, but what we are trying is clickable here,
Yes,
where
yes. This will
each
be
of the
clickable. Yes.
yeah, so which will open up a new page section and have separate
Correct. Correct.
listings like
Correct.
this. Okay, and coming back to this is completely missing, but I'm sure you guys will add it on.
Yeah, yeah. That
Domestic
is
and international is 2 sections. Put this, remove these two, and put this line here also. I had mentioned exactly what filters are needed in the document I had sent. Select by state, select by property type, select by rating. Let's stick to that.
so rating comes from external source by the end users, or it is
No, it's Team Trips rating.
okay. Okay.
Because see, we have given 4 different types of rating for each property, and
No, see,
rating
if it is coming
basically.
from backend, if it is inputted by the publishing team, I mean, like from the team trip itself, there
Uh-huh.
is no point of having a rating thing, right? Yeah, because
Rating
everything
as
will
in
be
to
fine.
segregate the 4 stars, 5 stars, 3 stars, villas like
Okay,
that.
okay, okay. Three-star hotels, five-star that way,
Uh,
or the user
yes,
ratings, reviews, and ratings.
yes. Because if you go to each of any of the property, like this page, we need to do something about it. Okay, because let's come back here. This also I'll tell you. Okay. This again, it's to spread across, make it a little more concise. Okay. Is anything updated here yet? Or is something updated showing here, or this is just old data?
This is actual data pushed to the backend, I guess.
I
This is
don't think
actual.
this is actual. Okay, this
Uh-huh.
part. See, this is how it
Correct,
looked in
correct,
the
correct, correct.
design which we thought,
Uh,
but I don't know what is this also.
correct. So there's a lot of text provided.
Yeah.
Then
So concise the text, spread it
we
across.
have made it as read more already. We have made it read more to fit in this
Okay.
as per the design.
Okay.
Okay.
And see, this is the normally the user data which is, you know, can be put, but this also is pulled out from other similar websites like Trivago, Booking.com together, which I've put it in the doc.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then it's
This.
1 second. Go up, go to the banner section. So you see here, right, country in and suits candle in. So here
Mm-hmm,
we wanted to add 2 through 3 lines of text, which has been put here in the below section. Some
mm-hmm.
3 lines. I'll show it to you how it looks like. I don't
Yeah,
wanted to.
it's look like this. No.
1 second. I'll share you that link. I don't wanted to send it to you because we were still working on the fixes. Publishing, editing certain formatting content. I'll just share it to you now. Take a look at it. Hard Rock Hotel.
What we have. This is not the.
Yeah, that is fixed. That is fixed. Today itself, in the next few minutes, you will see that because just click on
Okay.
this link which I have sent to you.
Okay.
No, no, no. Here in the Google Meet link.
Okay.
Messages. Text like this should be fine, right, in the banner.
Yeah, see, it should be. This is fine. This looks good. But you see this,
Yes,
this,
yes, that is optimized already. Will be in the release. It will be taken care.
and even if the read more happens, this should not happen because it has too much, aesthetic issues right now. The text is too together. There's no
Yeah, yeah.
spacing.
Ramya was speaking the same to me. That she was mentioning that there's a lot of text for this section in the document. What do we
Yeah,
do? I told we'll
I've
put it
given
at the bottom of the
excess
page.
information for one reason because this is why I told you to let them read what I've sent and see what is relevant. Because so I wanted you guys to look into it because like SEO side, like what goes in, what is needed, what type of information fits better.
No, no, no.
I want.
Usually SEO related, what we do is we put it at the bottom. We usually place it at the extreme bottom, right
Huh.
above the footer on every page.
Yeah,
Uh,
so I've given excess information doesn't mean you have to use everything. Use what is needed.
hmm.
That would be much better. If you see here, also see this had a better look of browsing through a couple of images, and currently we don't have that. Oh, we do. Can this move a little bit? Hello.
Better we sorry, yeah.
Yeah, make it into vertical view, no,
Okay, okay, fine.
or like at least a carousel which keeps moving.
Guys, you are noting it, right?
uh, Vertical it won't.
Yes, sir. Yeah, so
We can
auto
make
move.
it auto scroll. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. See, the whole
Or we,
point is everyone will be very quick to move to the next
Correct.
information most of the time when they're browsing. So, as they move very fast, we, we would like to give as much as details as possible.
Correct, correct.
Actually, even auto scroll might cause load time issues. So that's the issue we don't want it in our website. So we didn't do that.
Okay, but just have a
We'll
check.
look, we'll look into it. We'll
Yeah.
do something.
Okay. One more thing. This one. This I wanted to check. Um, so only this much information is needed for this, is it? Like, what was the whole thought? Like, I thought that this particular page was to give a detailed information about how team building can be in each destination.
No, no. Can we go to the design? You have the design as well, right?
Yeah, yeah. This is the design,
Yeah.
and we are here. Oh, actually, this is what is there right now. I mean, I'm trying to understand what would be the reason for this.
No, no. This page, team outings in Pondicherry.
Uh-huh.
This page gives more emphasis to showing all the places of Pondicherry,
Okay.
resorts, hotels, I mean, like whatever properties you have, the
Mm-hmm.
homestays. That's the main focus for this page.
And I
So,
don't see how you're tagging it here.
ha ha ha. There is so that's what I told you right earlier. So we are
Mm-hmm.
actually as per these designs.
Mm,
You see, you go to the designs. Yeah, ideally, this has to be only pertaining to Pondicherry.
correct.
Correct, but
But
we see it's coming up the other region places as well.
yeah, and see, this whole section is mostly pointless. This um, less expensive, high rated, budget.
No,
Just
no, those are
use.
all dummy text. We can eliminate them. See this.
Huh.
So what happened
See.
was, Dhanush, we missed out couple of discussions here. So
Mm-hmm.
in design stage, what people do is they put dummy text. So based
Mm.
on the properties information collected or information had, we actually it was our side mistake as well. We had to
Well,
get in touch with
let's
you.
forget about what. Let's just talk
This
about
text
what
has to be
needs to be done.
finalized. The
Yeah,
filters,
yeah.
whatever come here, has to be
Uh,
finalized. So what
Yeah, I
happened
sent
was,
you in the home doc.
uh,
Okay,
uh,
three filters especially. Use that everywhere. And when you're suggesting, especially in these pages, team outing places in Bangalore, in Pondicherry, and so on and
uh,
so forth, this domestic international is not needed then.
so what we international, why international came in, I'll tell you.
Hmm.
We will see by default the view will be all the places of this is interchange in the development. You scroll down to this page, you scroll down a bit. Yeah, see this will come in the top. All stays in Pondicherry. The all
Okay.
stays and resorts. This will be in the top.
This will be the recommended
This
ones.
will be the recommended and above immediately after the banner. And
Okay.
what you see, this will be below.
Yeah, that's much better.
Yeah, that's how it is if you see the current page also. But then I think there is some other mess over there.
Yeah.
But that will be taken care. So
Mm.
resorts, all stays, whatsoever it is, will be completely pertaining to Bangalore region. Below
But
that,
this,
we are showing team outing places in Pondicherry, Coorg, or maybe other destinations.
yeah, that flows much better. Right now, the flow is completely, I
Yes,
don't know.
yes, yes. In the development, we have moved this to
And
interchange
this
this.
is just that is just the Figma file. This is actually what is live.
Correct, correct.
Okay, this is so, and make it this particular part. The bleed is too less. Um, let's keep the same bleed as this, which is much more concise and looks much better.
Okay.
Okay. Second thing is, and one more thing I've noticed that most of the narrative is about less saving less.
No, no, you give the text whatever you want.
Yeah, yeah. And like just to make you guys also understand, the narrative should not be about you know
Uh-huh.
um, saving less and
Yeah, yeah,
most.
those will be dummy points just for illustration purposes.
Okay, okay.
You give exactly, see, this 3x times most effective. We are not sure about.
I'll tell you. I'll tell you
Uh,
everything. This particular part content. See, for these pages also, I've given a lot of content. I just want to want you guys to put what is relevant here. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Because maybe something might be useful. You can add it more here. I just wanted to depend that on you guys. Okay. This is the property page. I think we went through this. This part is missing. This part is also missing. And this particular part, I don't understand. I mean, I get this corporate. We can just change this to with team trip and add all of these points. This,
We can eliminate this if this is not needed. See, we people looking for only corporate outings.
yeah, and we don't want that.
Go to the top. Just go to the banner section. Okay. See now this web page would rank only for Chilandra Resort also.
I get it.
Okay.
So this we have spoken. I've spoken to Ramya. So right now, I've given all the locations wise so that you can add, and then I have, since it's just a paragraph. This is mostly the property page, right?
Yes, yes, this is property page.
Yeah. So I think you're talking about the web page to add for Shilandra each resort wise as well. I've I've spoken to Ramya about it. I'll give you content again for specific properties we can add, but for properties also only there's not much content also I needed as I see. It's just a couple of statements here and a paragraph here and little bit data here and there.
So what we do is all the SEO content goes to the bottom. You scroll to the end of the page.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it comes after this. Yes, artists after reviews or frequently after FAQs. After
Right.
FAQs, you see Lorem Ipsum. This is where the SEO content goes in.
Okay. Okay, fine. Sounds good, but this also is missing, but it's
Photo
fine.
gallery, I think we Rohit, we discussed not to have it, right? Did Dhanush approve on that?
Yeah, it's best to not have that anyways. One more thing is, let's come back here. See, this part and this part is repetitive.
Go up. This one.
This section, okay, and this particular section is repetitive.
Okay. What is heading of this section?
This
Leading
is
culture first organizations lovers.
we can just change this, okay, because this particular part is just like has no reason, just just there to, like,
Okay. You want this one to be leading first organization section to be eliminated?
yeah, this will eliminate this because this is becoming a problem in mobile also, and this part will put because this can auto scroll, and we can make it like clickable also, and below we'll have the um, logos also rolling like this on mobile.
Rohit, Rohit,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So you heard what Dhanush was telling, right?
Yes, I will look into that. Can do the modification.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, let's go to mobile. Those all fine. These are all fine. This one is which comes next after the entertainment section and everything, right?
Yes, yes. This is Rohit.
So I think this is blog inner page.
No.
I'm
This is
not sure.
not blog.
Let
This
me
is
check.
not blog. This is not blog. This is entertainment page, artist page. We had different, right?
Yeah,
Different.
artist page, sir. Sorry. This is recently designed artist.
Correct.
Yeah, you're
So
right.
see, this particular part has 5 sections in it. Okay, so please have in mind. Oh, one more thing I wanted to. Oh, that's fixed. Okay, mobile view. We are good here. This part, if you can stop this whole thing within this first block, it'll be great.
Yeah, sliding, right?
Yeah,
Right side.
sliding, or put all the six in within this block also. However, just from here to here.
Yeah,
You should
swiping
not.
from right to left, swiping.
Yeah, just not more than that. We have removed this. We've removed this. We've removed this. This part is missing again. Uh, okay. This we are taking off, right?
Yes, yes, yes. But this can be made under read more also.
Yeah, something it should put it under read more, or see, these are the information which we want them to go by, but we want them to go by quickly, not see, because I can't scroll up and down when I'm in middle of this section. I have to.
No, but then there are a lot of points to be communicated, right?
Yeah, so if you see, that's why I said placement is very important. Look at this. If you see in the mobile view of my old website also, it's very concisely put.
Can you inspect it? Right click on it. Just come to the mobile to the
Here,
old website. Yeah, right click on it. Right click on it.
okay.
Inspect. Inspect. Click on inspect. Uh, Here, mobile elements is there, right? Left side. Mobile view is there. No, no, no.
Well,
Left side. Elements. Top.
okay,
Here, code you see. Yeah,
elements got it.
left
Yeah.
side. Left side. Yeah, mobile icon. Yes. Scroll down.
See,
Rohit.
Yes, sir.
So instead of the big things, we can make this way, right?
Yeah, we can do that. We can eliminate all the icons and
Yeah.
we can make it like.
Eliminate icons because in desktop also desktop should be fine, but mobile
So
eliminating icons and
if
minimizing
you
it.
want to highlight the points, we should have to
It's
use icons, sir, or else people might ignore that information while scrolling.
see. One second, sorry. Where was I?
yeah, inspect.
Yeah, and if you see right now, this is what it is.
But it is very prominent right now. Just that people have to scroll through it.
Yeah,
People
at
would
least
slowly pay attention to it, and they would not see on old website. They might treat it just like some text and ignore it. You're thinking of just scrolling through, but there
mhm.
are good chances that they would just escape it. But here, since it is presented in the form of icons, people try to read what it is.
But one thing is for sure: this part, this section, and this section is repetitive.
We can change it. The content or one of it can be eliminated.
Huh. But
Uh,
this is nice only. You, how you have shown the um, clients, right? If this constantly moves like how it moves here, see how it moves here, that's fine. If you can just take out this part, is that possible?
yeah, taking out, removing is fine. That can be
Okay.
done.
And you make this read more or something,
Okay.
or at least it should be. It should see. This part should end by here, because if
One
it
screen.
goes above this page, then it becomes hard to scroll from the middle.
Rohit, how about presenting it in two columns?
Two columns won't work, sir.
Text overflows,
We'll
right?
we'll make it as pills. Small pills will make it something
Okay.
like that.
Yeah. Make it small, please.
Okay.
It's still fine. You can keep it if you want, but just fix this up and down. I can't scroll
Read more.
about. Yeah, remove that. See, this is much better in the design, but we don't have this here in the mobile view. Should I do that again?
Refresh it.
Control Shift R. Command Shift R.
Okay, just have a check on this and like. because this is like in a straight line in mobile view. Okay.
Okay, one after one below the other.
Hmm. This is much better because it's easier to consume. And this part is fine. If you can put this up, it'll be better. Where we have this, right? This part, add-ons, which is actually entertainment. Okay. Put this section there.
Where on which page? Can we go to the desktop version? It becomes easier to understand.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, this is home page, right?
This section, this is the home page. This is the Figma file. Okay.
Okay.
Just this is the home page. Here, anyways, this is okay. Here, okay, I'll show you in the Figma. This section, where we had this section right after the facts
Yeah.
to add-ons, which we will have to put the this one, which is actually entertainment, which are the five categories which you guys are still building.
Okay. So add-ons will be eliminated, and in that place we are going to have
This one,
events,
which entertainment, which is the
entertainments.
add-ons only, have five categories: workshops, team building, artists,
Okay.
and I want this view to be categories, so that once you click on it, the category opens to
Yeah, yeah.
listings.
So now go to the top. Add-ons will be replaced with this section with the heading add-ons, correct?
No, it's actually entertainment. Okay, under entertainment we have five categories: workshops, team building, artist. I've given you in the
Okay. So add-ons heading is changed, has to be changed to entertainments.
let's see, entertainment. Okay, and these are the categories:
Okay.
artist, team building, sports, and workshops.
Okay. Okay. And then come back bottom. That has to be renamed to come back. Come to the bottom of this page. Yeah, this has to be renamed to add-ons.
No, actually, the entertainment. It's only one. There's no add-ons. Entertainment is add-ons. Add-ons is entertainment.
But these details and the cards here and the cards over there are different, right? Names.
Yeah, because these are very repetitive. Logistics, conferences. That's here also. That's
Okay.
here
Okay.
also. Get it? This one will put it up so that these are the other services other than hospitality we give.
Okay. And heading for this is
Entertainment. I've given it in
entertainment.
the homepage section.
Okay.
Okay.
And it will be moved to the top.
Yeah, and the deeper services are already listed here. Are also listed here, and you know we don't
No.
have
So
to.
what we can do is, it's not that it's listed here. Let's assume everywhere whatever text you see, it's just ABC. So now
I
how do
get it.
we try to fill in what is relevant to that particular section? See, when you
Yeah,
say
yeah,
the
but
corporate, huh.
I want you guys to understand also, so that it's just not cut copy pasted as I say.
No, 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 that's clear. But what text has to come here is something.
Mm-hmm.
See, now leading culture first organizations love us. So
Mm-hmm.
why do they love us? These points can be eliminated and some interesting points can be brought in here.
Okay, that's much better.
Yeah. So that's
Yeah,
what I'm trying to tell. Yeah.
done. Sounds
So
good. Okay.
some sections you don't think it only from the text point of view.
Uh-huh.
So the text has to be completely replaced to something that's relevant with regard to the heading as well as design.
Yeah, done. Okay.
So if you have any points like this, if
Yeah,
you think leading first, this is what you communicate to your customers. You put it on that Word document. We will update the same here.
done.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, next is, by the way, this video is not working in the website.
I think intentionally removed, right, Rohit, because it's 10 MB.
Yes, sir. We have to either move it to S3 bucket and then we have to use them.
Yeah, Danish, you want that? If you want it, then we will
I'll give you
implement.
a shorter video then maybe. I mean, is there a, should we look into not having heavy stuff on the website? Is that it?
Homepage, yeah, usually we avoid having heavy stuff on the web page.
Mhm.
But still, if you think that's needed, we can have it. No,
I,
homepage, right?
I'll
Only
try
one
to
page,
set
right?
a 2 to 3 seconds video in a slow motion. Maybe that'll.
So if not, Rohit, what we can move it through S3 bucket, right? The current video also,
Yeah, sir, we can do
and that will
that.
not impact on the performance.
Oh, yes, sir.
Let's move it now. What? Why we should avoid? We can move it, right?
Actually, we'll test that once, sir. We'll confirm that and we'll do that.
Yeah, yeah.
Because after
Later point also, it's okay. Mhm. This part, make sure it's clickable throughout, not just here.
Yeah. It will be clickable.
Then
Yeah, and
coming.
go up, go up, go up, go up. Yeah, 3 points are there, right? You want
Uh,
these points to be changing from property to property or universal everywhere.
no, no. For property, we can't keep changing. For actually, let this. I'll give you 3 points. Let it stay stagnant.
Okay.
Okay, so some universal
Static.
thing. Okay, this one, same as desktop we spoke about, right? This will go down. This will come up.
Yes.
Uh, okay.
And the one more thing you wanted the properties presentation to be like the outing places presentation. If you go to the desktop view,
Uh huh.
uh, go to
This
one
one.
of the
Yeah.
places. Yeah. Scroll down. Huh. Yeah, you wanted these to be this presentation is not good, right, for you? That's what you said sometime back.
This is. See, this looks much better than what actually is. Currently, this is what it is. It's spread. You know, it's like it's stretched end to end.
Okay. So the Rohit,
It
you think that's because of image aspect ratios, Rohit, while publishing?
it's because of the device size, sir. Actually, the device size matters. Figma design is done in a larger screen size, so the left and right margin is bit more.
Huh. Now,
So
where
that
on
might be
which
the
device
reason.
sizes it will have problem? Mobile?
no, but like I
Not
don't understand.
mobile, sir. Like 13 inch MacBook might be little smaller, sir. That's it.
No,
If
no.
we
See,
want, we can
it's
put.
bleeding over your design here. Something is bleeding over because your design here stays stagnant. You see this aeroplane, and you see this
Yeah.
aeroplane here. This middle part is bleeding outside.
No. Open the website and go for inspect screen and click on the last responsive and top you can see responsive, right? The down arrow mark.
Yeah, next to left side of 400.
400. Okay.
Yeah, click on that
Okay.
and select some larger screen. The last two,
Next
Nest
step.
Hub Max. Yeah,
Jishwanto is gone. See, but people who are exploring also can't do this inspect thing, no?
No.
no. What I'm trying to do is just showing, trying to show in
No,
larger screen.
Dhanush, this is a tool for us to understand how it
Okay.
looks on bigger devices, smaller devices, and there has to be a measure to fix it. So now
Which,
we will check in this and has to be fixed for all of these devices. So
yeah.
the code also, the development also has to be tweaked for every device.
Well, small things, but just keep in mind.
Yeah.
Um, even for mobile views, too stressed out, make it a little lesser. Like, for example, this good thing you showed. Uh, how do I fix this?
Let's do one thing, Dhanush.
Closer.
Yeah, close. Yeah. So mainly compatibility with the mobile device, correct? That is one thing. And
Yeah,
2 or 3 sections, some sections have to be eliminated, some sections
yeah.
have to be made more responsive. I'll have to
Mm-hmm.
update content that fits with that section instead of updating everything that's sent. And two or
Mm-hmm.
three sections are missing. So, for example, suitable for this is
Mm-hmm.
actually done, and yeah, correct.
Like all the little small things. Also, I want you to see. I'm sorry, I'm taking your time late in the night.
No
Also,
problem, no problem. That's okay, Dhanush.
uh,
We should be thankful that you are spending time at this time.
where is it? There's one thing I observed. Okay, especially this. Okay, this part is this part small like this. This is in bold. This is not in like the design which I had seen before. Is not like that. Where is it?
Figma.
Yeah, see, one thing is this is concise. It has more bleed. It's more nice to see, and it's also about the image. I can make that changes later. But if you see here, no, uh,
Every property has different set of amenities, right? So
yeah,
if
but
not,
see,
what we
this
have
is
to do
in
is we
bold.
have to fill in only. Okay, bold.
This is in bold. This is not in bold. So
Okay.
very small things, but goes a long way from how
Uh-huh,
it's
uh-huh.
presented.
Correct, correct, correct.
Okay, cool. That's it. Uh, this part I'll give the name add the entertainment section here also. Um,
So this names, headings, outings have to be renamed to something better. So
yeah,
if you could go
I'll
through
give you the
every
name.
page, generic page, including terms and conditions also, if you want about us, contact us also,
I
every
went through
page.
all of that. That's all fine. This all looks great. I'll give you the content. Not much. Not much goes there, but cool. This one bit you see, it's cut out.
So is that not the logo, Rohit? Logo is sent by. Are we not using what Dhanush has sent to us, Vikram? The logo.
Yeah, it's here. It's clean here in the design.
I guess the same from the design.
Then
Yeah,
why?
no, bro. See, you know how I found out. I'll tell you. You see, this I's dot is cut, and the P is wrong.
Okay, sir.
Once you
We'll
look into
optimize
it,
it.
na
Otherwise,
HTML.
I wouldn't have uploaded.
Sure,
Okay.
sure, sure. We'll look into it.
Just the small things. Please do have a check and
Yes, yes, we get it. We'll do.
yeah, cool. Yeah, let's make these changes and maybe we can revisit.
Yeah, yeah,
Sure.
sure, sure, Dhanush.
Cool. Thank you so much for your time, guys.
Thank you, Dhanush. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks everyone, guys. Vikram, Rohit, Shoaib, let's connect separately, no? This call.
Sure, sure.
Okay.